These are some common mistakes that I've seen my students make while learning French as a second language. Not focusing enough on pronunciation and focusing way too much on grammar. Like every language, grammar in French is extremely important, but it's not the only thing. So every time, whenever we learn a new word, we learn it along with how it is pronounced. Not to mention that the pronunciation system in French is completely different than that of English. So before even starting to read, we need to learn how to read French. Not using the vocabulary that you learn. I have seen a lot of students that write down the vocabulary that we learn in the class, but then later they refuse to use it. They say repetition and practice makes perfect. So the only way you can concretize a word in your head is by using it in a sentence and using it in a particular context. Not listening to enough French podcasts or French radio at all. Why listening to French is important is because even if you listen to it in the background while doing chores, it's going to be there in your procedural memory. So it's going to come out when you're thinking about it. You will have the sense of the language, which is so important. You will also have the intonation of the language, which is equally important. Do you have any more tips and tricks? Please comment below.